In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand timeline on CapCut. If you've ever struggled to make precise cuts, line up transitions, or sync audio perfectly, expanding your timeline is the key. It simply zooms in on the timeline so you can see more detail without changing your video's actual length or speed. Think of it as bringing a magnifying glass to your edit, so every frame and waveform is easier to manage. Start by opening CapCut and heading into the editor. Once the workspace loads, look toward the bottom of the screen where the timeline lives. This is where your clips, audio, and effects stack up, and it's the area we're going to adjust. Add a video clip to use as a sample. You can import any footage you like, then drag it down to the timeline. Having a clip in place makes it easier to see how the timeline view changes as you zoom. You'll notice a time ruler across the top of the timeline. That ruler is a helpful guide while you expand or contract your view. Now, shift your attention to the right side of the timeline. This is where you'll find the zoom controls. Depending on your version, you might see a plus and minus magnifying glass or a vertical zoom slider. Click the zoom in control to expand the timeline. Each click stretches the scale so your seconds break into smaller divisions and your clip appears longer on the timeline. You're not altering the project, just the level of detail you can see, which makes frame-accurate edits much easier. If you want finer control, use the vertical zoom slider on the right side of the timeline. Click and drag the slider upward to expand the timeline smoothly until you reach the precision you need. As you move it up, watch the ruler at the top. You'll see it shift from seconds to tighter increments and eventually down to individual frames. This is perfect for placing keyframes, trimming exactly on the beat, and tightening transitions without guesswork. If you zoom in too far, simply drag the slider downward or tap Zoom Out to regain a wider view. A quick tip: many editors like to park the playhead at the exact moment they're refining before zooming in, so the focus stays centered on the area that needs attention. And remember, expanding the timeline doesn't change your output, only how closely you're examining it. That's it. Open CapCut, add a clip, click Zoom in on the right, or drag the slider upward to expand your timeline with precision. Happy editing. Happy